This is a Canon MG6220 printer, and we're going to remove printhead from it. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn the printer on. It has to be on. And then we're going to go here and lift the ink cartridge access unit to where we see the ink cartridges. When the carriage slides over to the middle, we're going to have access to the ink cartridges and pull them out first. So ink cartridges are out now, and now we're going to lift this gray latch. Just move it up, and our printhead removes very easily out of the printer. If we need to clean it, you can just do so and put it back in. Don't wet the back area too much to avoid any circuit connection going wrong or anything like that. So, and to put it back after you've cleaned it or whatever you wanted to do with the printhead or changing it out for B200 Air, for example, we're going to put it back in and put all the ink cartridges back in. If you want to check if the printhead is working fine and if the printer recognizes it, you can just go ahead and put the printhead into the printer, and on the screen it should say that you need to put all the ink cartridges in, and that will basically mean that the printhead is working good, and it needs ink cartridges in order to do any work like we see here. So go ahead, put your ink cartridges back in, and keep using your printer. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips of any many printer models, and have a great day. Thank you.